Identify the relative pronoun used in the given sentence. What did you do that I don't know? A. You. B. That. C. What. D. No. The correct answer is B. That. Number 2. Identify the type of adjective in the given sentence. Which car is yours? A. Demonstrative adjective. B. Emphasizing adjective. C. Descriptive adjective. D. Interrogative adjective. The correct answer is D, which is an interrogative adjective. Number 3. Identify the adjective of comparison of the word later. A. Negative degree. B. Positive degree. C. Superlative degree. And D. Comparative degree. So the correct answer is B, which is a positive degree. Number 4. Blank verb means not passing over. A. Auxiliary. B. Transitive. C. Intransitive. D. Modal. The correct answer for these questions is letter C, which is intransitive. Number 5. He blanked the ball out the stadium yesterday. A. Has hit. B. Hit. C. Hitted. D. Hitten. The correct answer is B, which is hit. Number 6. Choose the replay which uses the correct form of irregular verb. Who stole my pen? A. Aiden will steal your pen. B. Aiden had steal your pen. C. Aiden had stole your pen. D. Aiden stole your pen. The answer is D. Aiden stole your pen. Number 7. What does auxiliary mean? A. Equipped with a supplementary. B. No meaning. C. Providing help and support. D. A group of volunteers.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Answer is letter C, which is providing help and support. Number 8. What is the correct form of using an auxiliary in a sentence? A. auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. B. Main verb, subject, object, auxiliary verb. C. Main verb, subject, auxiliary verb, object. D. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb, object.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is D, which is subject plus auxiliary verb plus main verb plus object. Number 9. Which of the following verbs best fits the sentence given below? Either the executive or the assistant blank been here. A has, B have, C was, D are.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The correct answer is A, which is has. Number 10. Identify the word which is an adverb as well as an adjective. A. Straight. B. Beautiful. C. Sad. D. Artistic.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The answer is A. Straight. Number 11. Find out the preposition in the sentence. I have a good relation with my cousin. A. I. B. Have. C. With. D. Good relation.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer is C, which is with. Number 12. Find out the conjunction in the sentence. Do you want a chocolate or an ice cream? A. Do. B. You. C. Or. D. Want.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer for this question is C, which is or as a conjunction. Number 13. Find out the interjection in the sentence. Cheers to your winning. A. Cheers. B. Said. C. I. D. She.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is cheers A. Number 14. Correct the following sentence with the correct infinitive. A. I want you assist me and clean the room. A. I want you in assisting me in cleaning the room. B. I want you assist me in cleaning the room. C. I want you to assist me and clean the room. D. I want you assist me and to clean the room.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the correct answer is C. I want you to assist me and clean the room. Number 15. What is not true about a clause? A. It may give a complete meaning. B. Does not have either subject or verb. C. It may stand on its own. D. Has both subject and a verb.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is D. Number 16. What form of speech reporting is this? Shyam said, I am not willing to compromise. A. Indirect speech. B. Passive voice. C. Direct speech. D. Active voice.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is direct speech C. Number 17. Select the option which punctuates the below sentence correctly. Wow, you are a gold medalist.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Correct answer is D. Wow, exclamation mark, you are a gold medalist. Number 18. Choose the correct question tag among the options. It's very cold. Blank. Isn't it? Does it? Is it? Doesn't it?
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is A, isn't it? Number 19. Identify the meaning of the idiom to eat humble pie from the following option. To have our being pride, to apologize, discuss it in detail, convince oneself.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The meaning of the given idiom is to apologize. Number 20. Find the idiom which means of the same opinion. A, at one. B, fallen flat. C, made up my mind. D, in good path.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So the answer is A, which is at one.